Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can tapioca flour replace all-purpose, plain flour? It's not a great one-to-one substitute for baking cakes or cookies, as too much of it can cause bakes to go gummy. However, it can be used to replace flour on a 1-to-1 ratio when making sauces or gravies.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In short, there is no difference between tapioca flour and tapioca starch. The name on packaging depends on the producer's choices, but the product is the same. Tapioca flour, starch is an excellent binding and thickening agent for multiple purposes: baking goods, cooking soups, or making bubble tea.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.